Good morning. We are in Wisconsin, and nothing like a summer in Wisconsin. So we have been super busy with family and friends, and actually today we're heading up north to spend some time with my family. Mark has been real busy working on a special video.
Well, I got to give props to Sue. The last 3 cost videos that we did, Sue did all of the data collection, and I told myself that I would never do another one of those videos because they took so long to do, and so we didn't collect any data. Well, guess what? All of a sudden we decided that we're going to do a cost video because everything has gotten so much more expensive that we wanted to bring that to you. So I've been working on that, and I'm not quite done with it yet. And we've got a wedding to go to, and I've got some additional videos that I'm working on for our Hughes auto former, and
there's a lot coming up. Mark has been busy while I'm having fun with family and friends. So
look at this, and then we're trying to record a video,
and somebody
we got a subscriber over here. So let's go over and say hi.
Oh my God.
So even though this is a short video, you could still learn something in today's video because we're going to Manitowoc. So guess what we got to do? We got to go turn off the water.
Well, Mark is turning off the water. We just want to say have a wonderful 4th of July. Stay safe, enjoy family, enjoy friends. That's what we're doing. And make sure you tune in next week. You don't want to miss that video that Mark's working on the expense. Spoiler alert, ain't cheap.
Yeah, actually, I want to apologize ahead of time because it was so depressing for me. When you watch that video, you're going to notice that the usual Chan Man tone is kind of like this, you know? So stay tuned. That's next week.
We'll see you next week.